morning, YouTube. You're watching Swamp Fox Adventures. I'm Wally, and I just heard the dogs, so I think Real Babes might be back from Carousel Bakery. My nephew is coming back with Real Babes. They went to get breakfast at Carousel, and there's one running. There's two males right there. They're brawling. Hopefully y'all can see this. I'll blow it up as much as I can. Here comes another one in. There's one over there grazing. We've got a target-rich environment here. My nephew's been dying to kill some iguanas. Luna sees them. Oh, that's right. You're a good girl, Luna. Look at all those lizards. They see ya. Oh, we'll go hunt them in a minute. Yes, you can get all the iguanas when we get down there. I know you dogs are excited. Give it a few minutes. We'll go kill as soon as Jackson gets here. Luna and Kaza both retrieve iguanas. Great. Neighbor dog, she doesn't retrieve them. She catches them, she runs, and she eats them. Wiggles does not participate in any lizard hunting involving guns because he's gun shot. What up? How was Carousel?
It was good.
Worm dog, you're not even supposed to be inside. The iguanas are still there, so I think we're gonna grab a couple of guns and grab the dogs and head in there in a minute. I got some coffee in here, is an empanada, chicken, ooh, spicy beef. Real Babe hates it when I video in here and the table's dirty like it is now.
There's no spring tension on this.
I'm finishing my empanada. Jackson's loading up the last magazine. I think Wiggles is gonna stay here. All the iguanas that were out here are now up in the trees because the dogs are out, which is good, so we can shoot them out of the trees. The dogs will retrieve. Jackson's shutting the front gate. We got the guns ready. He's shutting the front gate because we don't want Thunder, the horse, to get out. You don't see it at all? It's right there, dude.
When I look up, the sun is right in my face. Oh, I see it now.
Okay.
Should I just get it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of brush here.
Try to shoot through the brush or move to a spot where you have a better shot, like over here maybe.
I see I might have a shot.
But you can shoot it in the head.
Oh, now it moved. Yeah, I can't get that shot.
You're good. Did you hit it?
I don't think I did. You want to try?
Good doggies. Okay, do you see the other one? Right up here. See the branch that comes out like flat?
No, I saw it.
And then one behind it? I'm pointing them out. Right there.
I'll look.
Oh, good shot, man.
Oh, it's stuck.
He's dead. His claws hung up. We'll get something to pull him down with. Now, see where he's hanging? Right to the right, there's that other branch going up. And there's another one. He's pressed down on it. You can barely see him. Give this guy another headshot. See if you can get a muscle spasm.
I didn't count one. In the head?
Yep. Sometimes, that was a good shot. Sometimes you can. The dog's just got another one. Jackson's trying to get a shot on this one. Oh, you were almost. That looked like it hit. You see him up there? He's nervous. See him up there?
The sun's right there.
Here, come back this way. Do you see him laying down up there?
I'm trying to see. Oh wait, now I do.
Okay. Oh, you're looking at a different one, but you can take him. Good one. That was a good shot on that one.
That's a little hard, but...
Yeah. We got a little bit of a breeze today. There's a big one over here. In the breadfruit tree. Let's see if we can't. Yeah, that's him right there. Okay, you see this one up there?
I'm trying to see.
In front of me? You got a good headshot from there?
Oh, I lost it.
Here, move forward. Back to where you were. Here, Jackson, here's one real close. See him right there, right above the dogs?
Oh.
Now, on that guy, because you're so close, you're actually going to have to aim about 1.5 inches high.
Yeah, this might be a bad shot.
There you go. The dogs weren't even ready for that one. Okay, can you get a shot on this guy right up here?
Shit.
You're out. Yeah. Same place.
Yep. So.
Oh, good shot.
Well,
It might have been his ear more than his head.
That was his
Get
ear.
another one on him.
wait for the other one.
Shoot the same one. There you go. Yeah. What do you have there? The dogs are guarding 3. There's 2 there. I think that's 5 iguanas already. It's tricky, but if you can shoot through that window, you'll get it. No, but he's pressed down, or she is pressed down against that branch like a squirrel trying to hide from us. Oh, you're right over the top. Like, that was perfect placement as far as windage. It was high by maybe 1/2 inch.
It's hard to find on the site.
Oh, good one. Luna didn't even see that one fall till it was dead and twitching. Oh, hit the wood right beneath it, but it went to its head. There it goes. Good girl, Luna. Heck, you want to check out another tree?
Yeah.
I think there's a bunch in the mango tree. There's still a pretty big one in the breadfruit tree, trying to get a better angle on. Okay, you see it up there silhouetted?
Yeah. Hold on.
Okay.
I kind of want to get.
Okay, let me get behind you. Oh, you got a pretty clean shot from over here. No branches.
From where you're standing?
Yeah, right here.
All right. Well, from here I can see.
Oh, good shot in that wind too, man. That was a real good shot. Either that one or that other one, that other male, are the biggest ones today.
Yeah, first one. Oh, now I do.
Yeah, he's hiding there.
No, I can't do that.
Good girl. I think that is the biggest. Luna, this way. Good girl. Yeah, you're not running to play with the iguana. Luna, this way, Aki.
Here's a good shot right here.
You got him?
I'm loading one.
Okay. Remember, about 1 inch high at this distance. Good shot. Good shot. Wow, that one's quite a bit bigger than I thought once it came out of the tree.
It looked like they backed away when you're...
Yeah. They're pretty gun smart, and they can tell what trees they're in when we start aiming at them. You got blood all over you, Luna. It's lizard blood, not dog blood, so nobody in YouTube world freak out or worry.
YouTube will recommend just about anything.
They do. Hello, Thunder. How are you? Now, there's usually a lot of iguanas up in this mango tree, but it's so thick as far as foliage, they're hard to get clean shots on, and they're really, really hard to spot. How are you, buddy? That's right, we're killing these big mean lizards that eat your grass. Jackson, look right at 12 o'clock. He's real close. See him?
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, we've got a couple of real close shots. So go like, oh, he knows what's up now. Go like 1.5 inches above because he's so close. That's a big one. Good shot. Oh, get him, Luna, get him. You can jump up and get him. Yeah. Right here. Okay, he should be good. Look at that big lizard. This is a guayaba tree, and there's usually quite a few in there. We want to kill them out of here because they're eating the blossoms, and then we won't get fruit if they eat all the blossoms. We managed to get, what is that? 2, 4, 6, 11 in less than half an hour.
Oh, come on. Come here. Sit, 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 sit.
Snap your fingers and she'll sit. There she goes. She's a good girl.
There you go.
You want to hold one for a trophy shot?
No, I'll hold the gun.
Okay. We're gonna put the guns up and ice down some iguanas real quick. Thunder has already got into the backyard because, of course, he feels that's where the best grass is. He thinks you have food, Jackson. Thunder was running after Jackson because he thought the cooler had food in it. We are sort of panicking trying to keep these iguanas cool because Real Babes took all the frozen water bottles out of the freezer and she did not replace them, which means we have nothing to keep meat cold right now. Fish, iguanas, any of that. Okay, we got the iguanas in and now we're just waiting on ice. None of this is for you. Okay, we're gonna kill another cane toad that Jackson found in the dog's baby pool. Okay, Jackson's gonna kill the cane toad. I'll show you how we do it, just to keep the dogs away from it. Okay, after you. You dogs stay. Usually we put them in the trash can and shoot them, but trash hasn't been picked up yet. So just dump the whole bucket into here.
All right. Don't matter about the water.
Yep, you want, okay. Up. Okay, here. Back up, now he's got his poison stuff. No, on the pavement. Okay, put it right in his head. And he should be good.
One more just to be sure.
Okay, see that white stuff's the poison. Hi, doggy dogs. My brother came to the rescue with a bag of ice. So hopefully we can salvage that meat, or at least preserve it before it goes bad, because it's super hot. We got those ice down, and Real Babes is coming with some more ice. Okay, we killed some iguanas. We managed to get those on ice, and now I think we're gonna go up to some waterfalls up at La Planta. And it's left here for the bridge. School's out for summer, and it is busy today.
Did you grab those shoes?
Don't slip if you go over.
I should have done a little farther down. That's a ways down.
It is.
You got it?
Yeah.
Where are you going under?
Okay. Right here.
That's how you cut down?
This is where we go down. It's a sheer drop ahead of you.
Jackson, come here.
He wants his glasses.
You grab this. Come here. Is that man-made?
Yeah.
And tomorrow the other one.
Well, they're better than flip-flops with the water this low.
Water doesn't The water is like, I mean, it's so much more intense.
Yeah, like normally right here there's so much volume, you feel the blast, like wind hitting you.
As a matter of fact, it was the...
I think homegirl's gonna jump up there. She keeps coming down to jump and then going back up like she's chickening out, so I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna get wet.
Yeah, it was the wind off of the waterfall that blew his drone into the mountainside right there. And so if you look up, all right, you
Drone's way up there.
tree
Oh, I
branch
missed her.
that's like hanging down.
There's a bunch of mountain mullets swimming around in this pool. I'm gonna try to get some good footage of them. I hope I got some of those on camera. Here comes Real Babes. There's Jackson. I can see my brother's head. Yeah, there's some right here too. See him?
Oh, yeah.
Told you it was deep.
There's a rock there.
Oh.
Basically me. Oh, are you okay? Like I said, 6 foot to a rock wall. Oh my God, are you okay? Please.
Go a little bit that way.
It's the first time I didn't get fully submerged there.
Cuban restaurant tonight.
Oh, okay.
Everyone's on board.
I guess we are now going for ice cream, y'all. We all just ate a bunch of dinner at a Cuban restaurant, and now we're gonna transfer some iguanas. Iguana transfer complete.
Laura.
Hasta pronto. Have a good night, okay?
My brother took off, Jackson, everyone else took off, Jose's taking off, Real Babes and I are heading home, and I think this is gonna be it. We might be doing some hunting tomorrow, but I'm not sure. Tomorrow is Saturday, so, well, we might be doing something.
Betcha.